Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Foliage. So today I was doing a little bit of photo shoot of my succulents for my Instagram, and I was basically taking pictures of each of the succulent, and I had this succulent for almost 4+ years. I will put the image of how it looked 3 years back, because I remember taking a picture and posting it on Instagram because it was looking absolutely beautiful. This is only one variety of succulent that I had, because I'm not much into flat or thin leaved succulents or frills for that matter. Apart from the neon breaker, I don't have a lot of frills. I'm not much into frills and thin leaved succulents, but this was one of the variety that I had. Probably I had got it in some combo and I was not very sure about the exact ID of it, and even the seller was not very sure. And just because I have got it, I didn't want to kill it, so I just kept it aside, and it was doing its own thing. It was growing quite well. This picture was taken on the 7th of March 2022. This is how it happened to look, and I completely forgot about it. I just left it on its own, and today when I was trying to take pictures, I thought I will also take a picture of this, because it has been really long that it has been with me for almost 4+ years. And what I noticed today is, when I was taking pictures and I was trying to zoom in, that the succulent is getting a lot of these bumps, and I am so excited to see this. A little bit of scars from the burns, but you can see the bumps. I have never seen something like this. Initially I thought probably it's edema, but edema is not going to be this large. But these are the bumps. This is edema, as you can see. This is edema, but these are the bumps that are showing up, as you can see, on the newer leaves as well. And I just can't believe it. Looks absolutely beautiful. And this is the new ones that are coming up on the newer leaves as well. It's not completely symmetrical right now. Probably it's just starting to show up, but it looks absolutely beautiful. And the bonus thing is, you can see this, it's also putting out a lot of pups. Again, I'm not going to take them out right now because they're still very small, but it looks really amazing. And you can see these over here, some more of the new pups coming up. This is edema. You can see this is edema. Usually it's very common on thin leaved succulent. It happens quite often. No matter how careful you are, edema will show up on a thin leaved succulent. You can see the leaves are very thin, but this was a big surprise to me, and I'm very excited to see, especially on the new growth, if the bumps are being more visible. So it's going to be an amazing thing to see. But you can see a lot of wrinkles, so I've just gone ahead and given it a little bit of watering, and let's see how it goes. So far it's doing quite well. Really excited about the pups that are growing. Quite healthy pups. Of course, the pups do not have any bumps, because I think as the plant tends to get mature, probably that's when they show up, because there are no bumps at all on the pups. It's only on the mother plant. So quite excited about it. So I thought I will share it with you guys. It's all the surprises that succulents tend to give you every now and then, and that makes your day. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.